My name's Vanessa Platacis. I am an artist working on the Taking Place project for the Peabody-Essex Museum. The Taking Place project includes around 200 stencils that are used to create 2,700 square feet of painting. So at this point, we've had 3 studio assistants cutting full-time for several months. It's quite a bit different than using laser cutters to actually have my hands on and have a hands-on experience with the materials and rendering the images. I have that technology available to me, but it will never be the same effect. I do have a background in street art. Spray paint and stenciling became a technique. As my studio practice evolved, the stencils have gained complexity in their level of detail and also their scale. So one of the largest images within the Taking Place project is 9.5 feet by 20 feet. The stencils themselves come from looking at the collections and site visits and research trips. We started off with hundreds of objects that we were looking through. Editing down was a challenge. Many of the items are quite beloved and iconic within the collection, but each one is holding its own significance in the installation as a whole. Peabody-Essex Museum gave me unprecedented access to those collections, and the works really benefited from that experience.